Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to optimize RAM for gaming. Click File Explorer. Right click this PC. Select Properties. You see, my RAM is only 4 GB. RAM 1 GB equal 1024 MB. My RAM 4 GB. RAM 4 GB equal 4096 MB. Click Advanced System Settings. Select Advanced tab. Click Settings. Select Advanced tab. Select Programs. Click Settings. Select Local Disk C. The default option is to automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Uncheck this. Select Local Disk C. Click Custom Size. Select the maximum size you want to for your paging file. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply and OK. Click OK. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching.